Hello, my fellow wolf lovers. Or should I say, yeah, wolves. Well, welcome back to my channel and hope you are having a great day. And today about this video is about this special mythic wolf. You know why it's special? Well, I'll tell you later. You'll probably think I got this wolf from events. Well, the answer is no. Let me see. Let me show you how far I just went on the events. Look, I'm not close to get the Earth Wolf. You probably think, how did I get this? Well, I get it from the daily summons. I got so happy. Well, like hell. I got so happy. Well, yeah, I got so happy and I'm very sorry I didn't record that I got it from the summons because I didn't expect. I was expecting like a common or rare, so I didn't expect about getting mythic. But after I got the mythic, I immediately went to record. So sorry about I didn't record something. So let's check about the myth. Let's check how strong is mythic. Okay, let's go. Ooh, it's quite powerful. Wow, 800 damage. Ooh, wow, that's cool. Very cool. Yes, there's some resources. Ooh. And let's just go to the lava place, eh? Let's go. Okay. Take a shortcut, please. I just want to take a shortcut. I love shortcuts. But shortcuts never go to success. These are lessons actually. Shortcut never go to success. Yeah, success. I literally forgot how to go to the lava place. It's been quite a long time since I went to the lava place. Oh, oops. It's a laggy a little bit. Sorry about that. Let's try the power, okay? Ooh, 537 damage. Ooh. I should make a video about all of the abilities, but I really don't have about all the abilities. When I have all, I will record the video about that one. Oh, we're almost there. Oh, let me just check it out. Hello, can I join the party? Oh yeah, ooh. That's really cool right here. Oh yeah, I love this animation. The cyclone crystals, the highest of my favorite one here. Let's get to another place and oh no! Oopsie. It's gonna heal up. What? What? Yeah, she's quite strong. Wow, last time I need like take a few seconds to like defeat this like just 3 or 5 seconds. Usually I like 10 seconds or 30 seconds or something like that. But then this will be so much kill them. Murder them all. Am I too evil? Oh no, I just ran to another one. It's okay, I can kill you. Oopsie. Sorry about that. I never watch my back. Sometimes they spawn on my back, so I don't see. Okay, better go. Oh man. Oh man. Let's just use this to finish it off. Yes. Just finish it off. Okay. Ooh, this guy is chasing me when I didn't even hurt him. Ouchie. Just a sec. Ouchie. Ooh, I didn't see the last one. Oopsie. Sorry about that. It's raining season for me now. That was scary. Okay, that was so scary. Okay. Well, I guess that's it for the video. Yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you stay safe from the pandemic that's happening right now. So stay safe and I hope they have a good day. Bye.